plants, what's not to love about them? Alright, so first we're going to start with roots. So there are three primary functions of roots, and that is to anchor the plant to a substrate, to absorb water and dissolved minerals, and to store food reserved. Okay, so now we got some root types, and first we have adventitious roots, which are roots that appear where roots are not normally expected, such as to help plants climb walls or anchor in the wind. We have taproots, which is the main root of a plant, and they generally grow straight down from the stem. It is a heavy, thick root that does have many branches. Next we have fibrous roots, which generally are thin, somewhat hair-like, and numerous, and they're better able to hold within soil, giving plant better stability, and they dry out quicker, thus they cannot tolerate drought. So, that's a downfall. And it's stem time, a next big part of the plant. So stems have three important functions. They produce leaves, branches, and flowers. They hold leaves up to the sunlight, and they transport substances between roots and leaves. So herbaceous and woody are the two main types. Herbaceous only goes through primary growth, and woody goes through both primary and secondary growth. An example of a woody stem is an oak tree, and an example of a herbaceous stem is grass. Leaf time. Alright, you're gonna have to bear with me names here, but these are leaf divisions, and in the top left corner we have trifoliate, in the top right corner we have unifoliate, in the bottom right corner we have triplemate, and in the bottom left corner we have bittermate. So in this one we have simple, palmate, trimate, and triplemate. So we're getting to the nitty-gritty now, the margin of a leaf, and that is another name for the structure of the leaf's edge. There are many different variations. Okay, so here we have the entire smooth, the serrate, and the double serrate. And here we have the crenate, the undulate, and the spinos. And the main vein of the tooth extends beyond the leaf margin on the spinos. Now we have the pinnately lobed, the palmately lobed, and that's all for the leaf margins. So here we got some leaf variations, and there's alternate, opposite, and world. So that's pretty easy, not much complexity there. Flowers, what makes plants beautiful? A flower is referred to as a complete if all four floral organs, sepal, petal, stamen, and pistil, are present in the same flower structure. A commonly illustrated complete flower is that of the China rose, Hibiscus rosa cineus. An incomplete flower lacks any one or more of these parts. Grass flowers are mainly wild pollinated and are incomplete, lacking both sepals and petals. So here you have your classic diagram of a flower, and you can see all the parts. It has the ovaries, all the reproductive systems, the stem. So this is the complete diagram of a flower. Our last subject, photoperiodism. To begin, short-dated plants are plants that flower when days are short. Examples are chrysanthemums and poinsettias, and we have both of those in my backyard. We have our long-day plants, which are plants that flower when days are long, and examples are spinach and irises. Last but not least, we have neutral day plants, which are plants that flower regardless of the length of the day. An example is a tomato or a cucumber. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully you'll be encouraged to go eat a salad or something. and hopefully you learned something because I know we did in making it. So once again, thank you for watching.